Bonafide wet-haired hustler here, and today is a quick video. I'm going to show you some cool finds before they sell. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide hustler, coming to you live from the inside of my goddamn gym. That's right, I have a gym in my house. I have an Instagram called Boddam as well. You should go check it out, at Boddam. I'll flash it right here. Okay, so today in this video, I'm going to show you some things that I picked up recently that should sell for really good money. In fact, some things have sold, and I want to show you those things. So let's get right to it. From the Nextdoor app, Chaco Sandals. These are nice, you know, some good multicolored with the toe loop, right? Chaco Sandals. Pretty cool. Great condition. $10 on the Nextdoor app. That was cool. So, should sell for around 50 bucks, but Chaco sandals like this, brand new, usually are around 70 plus. So, you know, these are in good condition. I think I can get 50 for these right here. Moving right along, look at this vintage Volkswagen Barfig shirt. I think that's what it's called. This was 5 bucks at a garage sale. Pretty neat, right? We have a single stitch sleeve, little fruit of the loom, good looking shirt. Probably would sell for around 50 bucks. But I have another shirt, check it out. I think this one's better. Whoa, it's actually white. If it looks yellow, I don't know why, but yeah, it's a white shirt with the neon dude driving. Look at that, pretty neat. This guy needs to work out his legs. They're a little chicken style looking. I don't understand, man. Do you even lift? But yeah, this one right here, Hanes 50/50, single stitch sleeve. This one should sell for around 50 bucks as well. It was 5 bucks at a garage sale. I don't know if I ever showed this on a video. This is an Enduro helmet, right? It kind of looks like a BMX helmet, but it's actually an Enduro helmet. So it's good that when you find stuff like this at a thrift store. I think I found this at the thrift store for like 7 bucks. You know, you type it in, Urge, and this is an Urge Enduro something. I forget what the actual Archie Enduro helmet, I think that's what it's called. And this helmet has resale of about 60 plus. Of course, it'd be local. But yeah, that's a nice helmet right there. And once you look it up in Google, you would figure out that, hey, this is an actual mountain biking enduro helmet. So really cool. Could be a local or an eBay sale. We'll see. But there we go. Next up, it's dark in the garage. I have a really cool bike back there. You can see it. But this one right here, this is the average kind of bike that I can find in this town that I could snipe for like 60 bucks. It's a giant hybrid bike. Nothing crazy, but this bike would sell all day for 180 plus. So definitely some bikes to bucks right here. Twist grip shifters, front fork. Looking really good, medium frame, tires are in good condition. Basically something like that I find on Facebook Marketplace. I put air in the tires, you know, and sell it for, you know, 180 or so. And that one actually might sell for like 220, who knows? That's the average kind of bike flip that I kind of engage in all the time. So yeah, I had a bike yesterday that sold. It was the $10 one from the video, the most recent video. I found a $10 Schwinn, that was cool. Sold it for 100 bucks yesterday, so that was nice. Bikes sell really quick in this town. Let me know down below if they sell really quick in your town. But I want to show you something that sold really, really quick within one day. I picked this up yesterday, so check this out. These are some hide skates with Chicago plates. Really nice. I think a men's 9. Found these at Savers yesterday for 6 bucks. Looking so good. Look at that. Sold for 175 this morning. That's a huge cheddar score. Look at that. And they're in really good condition too. I don't see anything super messed up about them, you know? Looking pretty good. Usually when you find vintage skates, they don't look like this. But I think these wheels might have some wood in them, maybe. I don't know. But the plates look pretty good. And the stoppers look good. The brakes. And around the skates look really good too. It doesn't look like there's a whole lot of wear and tear. It's just survived all these years to end up at that Savers. Find its way into my hands. I'll make that money. While we're on the subject of some shoes to bucks, let me show you some cool boots. If this thing would focus, I'll show them to you. All right, so these right here are size 9 men's Goki, Orvis, Goki, whatever you call it. I think it's Goki, sponsored by Orvis or whatever. Goki might be a leather brand or something like that. Either way, Orvis, Goki, boots, hunting, whatever, you know, walking around. These were 15 bucks the other day at a Goodwill. They should sell for around 140 plus. Look at that, and look at the undersole, looks good. Solid shoes to bucks find right there. That's what I'm talking about. All right, it's getting hot in this garage. Last find. This is a medium of this short that I found at a downhill park. They were selling some new inventory of their stock. I guess it wasn't selling very well. So I picked one of these or two of these up for 25 bucks a piece. These are Enduro mountain biking shorts. So if you find shorts like this that look like they're kind of long, they come down to the knee, and they have a liner inside that has protection, you know, like padding right there. Padding for the gooch, you know, right there, some padding. And of course, they have tags. I mean, look at this, brand new. These are $139. So I sold the small pair just last night for $94. So 25 into 94, not bad. And then this one has a chance of selling for around $94, maybe $99. But yeah, found two of them at the downhill park and decided to buy them. I was hustling while I was doing outdoor, you know, cardio, kind of crazy. So if you enjoy short videos like this, let me know down below, and I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video. Take it easy. Goodbye.